That's my little sister. She got her own phone. You see? She got her own phone.
If I see this in the video.
Right? She misses our cat. We had to kick her out. We just saw.
The cat is surviving cold.
We just
Survival,
saw.
the state or fact of continuing to live or exist.
We
The
just
cat's
saw her
surviving
outside,
cold.
and then she started crying.
The cast of Ivanhoe
'Cause she
includes
misses our
Elizabeth
cat.
Taylor, Robert Taylor.
The cat's surviving cold.
I miss my cat
Cast
too,
includes
but like,
Elizabeth.
The
had
cat's
no other
surviving
choice.
cold.
According to
my
Mother
little
Nature
sister is sad
Network,
because we
outdoor
just saw a
cats
cat
often live in
outside.
colonies, and while they may be resourceful, they need help to survive the winter.
My sister, she just missed him. So do I. Everybody misses the cat but my grandma. Like, I miss my cat too, so like, I miss her. And like, what's wrong with missing her? Nothing, but like, we gotta bring her back in. I want to, that's my opinion. But like,
Can you help me?
hold on a second. She said that our cat is gone. Like, the colder it gets, like, she's gonna die.
Because she's losing weight. She's losing weight. And she likes different cat food. She don't like the one that mommy bought her.
You know? And she miss our cat, so like, I miss her too. But like, I want to.
Don't pause it. I can't. Okay. I have one thing to do. I was going to do the
I
school.
miss my cat too. I miss the cat. I miss my cat. My cat was my everything. He always hung out with me. Always. Like, she's gone. Who was just outside? Look at that. Who was outside on those scooter and ripstick? See it? See that? And she came out the gate, through a gate. And we was all like, midnight, that's her name. This one cat tried to fight her. She was like, she got scared. Like, my cat is like, she ain't a savage anymore. We like a predator savage. That's right. And she was scared to fight. Like, my cat, she was never scared to fight the cat, other cats. But like, I miss her too. Just miss her. I'm about to go get my controller off the charger. Play some Minecraft. Just wanna try.
Okay. Where's the table after for the water reach? Now.
Go get a rag or something.
I want some water. And I did one.
I miss my cat.
You want more Simpsons? Huh? You want more Simpsons?
Alright,
Not right now.
guys, I'm gonna go supposed to video on Minecraft.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is. There's one paper.
Peace out.